Today I'm going to show you some on-screen SEO tricks so that you can get more views on your YouTube videos.
It's Computer Stuff with Carl Blemming.
Now for those that don't know, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Now the way this works is we're going to find out what words people are typing into the YouTube search or on Google to find videos just like yours. Then we're going to take those words or phrases and put them in 4 different places on your video page so that your video will be more likely to show up in the results for people that search using those words.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the Google keyword tool. And the best way to get there really is to go to the Google search engine and just search on keyword tool. And it will be the first result. Okay, now this is a great way to find out what people are searching for and how many per month are searching. So you can see the relative popularity of certain keyword phrases. So, okay, my video is going to be, I'll use this video as an example. This video is about SEO for YouTube. So let me type YouTube SEO. And then the first time you use this, there will be one of those CAPTCHA things here where you have to type in some crazy words. But I've already done that, so. Alright, so we'll search. And scroll down to this keyword ideas section. Now, okay, YouTube's SEO. You can see there's 14,800 monthly searches. This means that all over the world, about 14,800 people are typing YouTube SEO into Google's search engine. And the local, this is 3,600. This is within the United States, if you're using this within the United States. Okay, now that is interesting, but what we are looking for is down here under the keyword ideas. We want to find something that has a lot of searches, which might make a good title for our video. Okay, so it's YouTube video SEO, only 1,000. YouTube and SEO, 14,800, the same. YouTube SEO 2011, very low. YouTube SEO tips, very low again. Okay. And you can do this with the topic of your video, whatever the topic is, whatever your video is about. Alright, you know, actually, SEO optimization is high, but this is not specific to YouTube videos, so I don't want to use that. Alright, you know what? Let me try something else. Let me search on something that has more words in it. How about like SEO for YouTube video? We'll try that. And search. Alright, so SEO YouTube only had 14,000 something. This one only has 1,000. But let's just look down here and see what we have. SEO for video, 33,000. That one is pretty good. SEO YouTube video, again, low. Okay, YouTube marketing. Search engine to SEO for YouTube. Okay, you know what? Actually, this one looks pretty good, SEO for video, but this is not specific to YouTube. So let's search on SEO for video on YouTube. See what happens. Okay, so there's virtually no results there. Okay, you know what? I'm actually going to go with the first one, because although this one has more search results, the other one, SEO on YouTube, let's try that. SEO on YouTube. This, even though the other one gives me more search results, this one is more targeted to the type of searches that I want to attract to my video, because this one is specific to search engine optimization on a YouTube page, which is exactly what the video is about. So instead of getting a lot of people who are kind of into what we're looking for, we're getting a good number of people who are looking for exactly what I'm offering. So I'm going to use this as my key phrase, SEO on YouTube.
And that's how I got the keyword phrase that I'm using for this video. And you can do the exact same thing for the topic of the videos that you make. Now, the Google keyword tool gives you results based on what is typed into the Google search engine. And YouTube has a search engine or a search tool also. And YouTube has a keyword tool. But personally, I prefer to use the Google tool because it gives you more suggestions and more information than the YouTube keyword tool. But I'll link to the keyword tool on YouTube below in case you want to check it out.
Now, before I told you that your keyword phrase needs to be in 4 different places on your YouTube video page. Now, the first one I'm going to show you is, this is sort of like secret ninja stuff here, okay? So, your video file name is one place where it needs to be. Now, this is the naming convention that my my camera uses. It does, you know, MVI and then some number. Now, if you upload this, this will not help you in your searches. But if you were to rename that to SEO on YouTube .avi and upload this, then this will be an extra keyword on your page. So that's one. Okay, let's upload this. Okay, click there, open. Now, because this is just a test, I'm gonna set this to unlisted because I'm just doing this as an example. I'm gonna upload the actual one that I'm recording now later. Okay, so your title is another place where you need your keyword to be. And I would recommend having this be the first thing in your title. If you have the name of a show or something, or you want to put your name in there, then do like a divider. And then put your show name. Always put your keyword phrase first in your title. The other place it needs to be is in your description. So now, your description ideally will have a lot more than just your keyword. It will have you know, a paragraph or two which will be text that is related to the topic of your video, and this will help you in your search results also. I will do that later, but for now, just understand you have to have your exact keyword phrase in your description somewhere. And the fourth place is in your tags. And I would recommend putting them in quotes. Like that. Because if you have SEO on YouTube like that, this YouTube treats this as 3 separate keywords. SEO keyword, on keyword, and YouTube keyword. And if you're on YouTube and you type YouTube in your tags, that's not going to help you because pretty much everybody has that. But if you put this in quotes, it treats this whole phrase as one keyword.
So there you go, some tips for you to optimize your YouTube videos with a specific key phrase that you know people are actually searching for online. If you like this video, please share it with a friend. Or don't share it with a friend. Use this information on your videos. Next time you see that friend, say, "Hey, I've noticed that my videos are getting much more views than yours. I wonder why." Oh, seriously, just have fun with it, and thanks for watching.